Understanding Shell Z3X. Shell Z3X could relate to various contexts depending on the industry or application, such as software tools, fuel-related products, or hardware devices. However, Z3X is most commonly associated with mobile phone repair and software tools, especially for Samsung and other Android devices. Here's a breakdown to help you understand more about Shell Z3X and its applications. 1. Definition of Shell Z3X. Shell Z3X generally refers to the interface for the Z3X box, a popular tool used in mobile phone servicing. The Shell component serves as the user interface where technicians can access various features, including flashing, unlocking, and repairing mobile devices. Second primary functionality. The Z3X Shell is designed to simplify the process of repairing and unlocking Android devices, especially Samsung models. It provides a graphical interface to access firmware files, execute unlock codes, and perform maintenance tasks. 3. Compatibility with devices. Z3X Shell supports various Android devices, including Samsung, LG, and other brands. It can perform tasks such as IMEI repair, network unlocking, and software flashing for compatible models. 4th, key features of Z3X Shell. Firmware download. Access and download firmware files for supported devices. Device unlocking. Unlock network restrictions on compatible phones. IMEI repair. Fix corrupted or invalid IMEI numbers. FRP. Bypass. Remove factory reset protection when required. Routing assistance. Facilitate device routing for advanced customization. 5. Installation and setup. To use Z3X Shell, you need to download the software from a trusted source. Install the required drivers for the target devices. Connect the Z3X box hardware to your computer. Launch the Shell interface to access available tools. 6th, user interface overview. The interface provides a firmware search bar for locating files, a tab-based layout for different repair functions, logs and status windows to monitor ongoing tasks. 7th, use cases in mobile repair. Z3X Shell is commonly used in mobile repair shops to address software-related issues, unlock phones for network compatibility, and restore brick devices. 8. Licensing and activation. The tool requires a valid license and activation. Unauthorized or cracked versions can pose security risks and lead to software malfunctions. 9. Precautions and best practices. Ensure you use the official version to avoid malware. Backup device data before executing repairs. Stay updated with the latest firmware files and software versions. The Z3X Shell is a versatile and powerful tool in the mobile repair industry, particularly for Android devices. If you're involved in mobile phone servicing, understanding how to use its features effectively can significantly improve repair outcomes.